Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Kind of slim pickings today, guys. We had some really cheap ones that did some crazy things like ICCT, but I'm going to take a look at NVCR. NVCR we had identified in the pre-market as something that had just got completely and utterly beaten up. It is down 35% as we speak. I guess whatever drug they were on trial, the results were not good, and the stock just absolutely got killed, and it is still down 35%. Our AI had a short at 2047 right here on that candle. You could have even waited because it popped up to 2099 and waited, and probably an hour, and then it really has starting to move down. And it got all the way down to 1887. It's had a little pop up here. So I'm not saying this was easy, but you could have waited, picked your time, and got in later. And what a great move for NVCR. All right, everybody, want to get back into the room. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.